How to fix Roblox not launching on Windows. If you're experiencing issues with Roblox not launching on your Windows 10 or 11 system, you're not alone. This guide will provide you with step-by-step solutions to troubleshoot and resolve the problem, allowing you to dive back into your Roblox adventures. So let's get started. So all you have to do first is restart your PC or laptop. After restarting your PC or laptop, right-click the Roblox app. The menu appears. Instead of opening the Roblox app normally, just click Run as Administrator while opening the Roblox app. If it does not work, just right-click the Roblox app again to open the menu. While in the menu, click the Open File Location tab to open directly to the Roblox folder. While we are in the Roblox folder, just click and open the Roblox Player Launcher. If Roblox still does not open, try to uninstall and reinstall the app to know if it still works. If those methods do not work, I think you may need a better PC or laptop because even though you installed the Roblox app, if your PC or laptop does not meet the specs for Roblox, it will not run. Even if it is, it will not run smoothly since the Roblox app is getting better each year. So expect that the graphics will be part of it too. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve issues with Roblox not launching on your Windows 10 or 11 system. If problems persist, consider checking the Roblox support page or community forums for additional assistance. Happy gaming!